Hi guys, we're at the Holiday Inn at Miami Airport. And here's a quick room tour of the room with 2 beds in it. You come in to the right. You have a mirror, not full body, but it's good enough to check yourself out before you go outside. You've got some plugs, USB-A ports, and they're 3-prong plugs, by the way. You have this nice sitting bench to put your shoes on and off. A little menu for a nearby pizzeria if you want to do that. A little sign telling you that you don't want to be disturbed. Into the bathroom we go real quick. You've got a bunch of hand towels if you need them, and bath towels. Dove body products in the shower. Pretty nice tub shower combo. Haven't tried the water because I just got here. Here's some more towels folded up like an animal. Your hair dryer. Your paper towels, your trash can in the bathroom, and your sink. And more Dove body wash, hand wash and body lotion they call it. Little picture on the wall and a nice mirror in the bathroom. You have another almost full body mirror to check yourself out again before you go outside. You do have a painting here on the wall. 2 queen-size beds with a light in the middle. You have the phone, TV remote, and an old-fashioned alarm clock, more USB-A ports, and 3-prong plugs. You have a microwave, mini fridge. Guessing the safe is in here. I don't know if there's a safe. I think it's in the closet. You have a TV, your Keurig coffee maker with pods and tea bags, some cups and an ice bucket, lights, more plugs, paintings on the wall. And yeah, your safe, luggage racks, ironing board, coat hangers. And let me quickly show you the view outside of the room. There it is. Hope I didn't rush this too much, but this is a room tour of the Holiday Inn Miami Airport.